Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Weathered Whimsy, Shabby Chic Garden Design Ideas. Embrace the charm of time-worn beauty and create a space that feels both nostalgic and enchantingly romantic. The Shabby Chic garden style is all about soft colors, weathered textures, and a sense of relaxed, effortless grace. It's a garden that tells a story, where every chipped pot and climbing rose has a tale to whisper. If you long for an outdoor sanctuary that feels like a secret haven, these ideas will help you cultivate your very own slice of poetic decay. Let's explore how to transform your garden into a soft-focused dreamscape brimming with character and charm. The heart of Shabby Chic lies in celebrating imperfections and giving old items a new lease on life. Seek out furniture and decor with a naturally distressed look, such as a bench with peeling paint or a wrought iron table with a rusted patina. Don't be afraid to repurpose unexpected items. An old wooden ladder can become a charming plant stand for cascading blooms, and a chipped enamelware pitcher makes a perfect rustic vase. Scour flea markets for vintage treasures like ornate, tarnished mirrors that can make the garden feel larger while reflecting the soft light. Even functional items like terracotta pots can be aged by rubbing them with yogurt to encourage moss growth. These layered textures create a sense of history, making your garden feel established and lovingly worn in over time. Color is a powerful tool for establishing the dreamy, ethereal mood central to the shabby chic aesthetic. Focus on a soft pastel-heavy palette dominated by creamy whites, blush pinks, powdery blues, and gentle lavender. Plant old-fashioned sprawling flowers like cabbagey roses, fluffy hydrangeas, and delicate peonies to serve as the backbone of your color scheme. Intersperse these with airy fillers such as baby's breath, lavender, and catmint to add texture and a hazy, cloud-like effect. This limited, soothing color palette helps to unify the space and creates a calming, serene atmosphere. The overall impression should be one of a soft, focused painting, where colors blend gently into one another under the dappled sunlight. A shabby chic garden shouldn't be viewed all at once. It should unfold as a series of discovered, intimate spaces. Create a hidden retreat by placing a weathered bench or a pair of ornate, but rusty chairs beneath the dappled shade of a tree. Define this cozy nook with elements that provide a sense of enclosure, such as a curtain of climbing roses on a simple arbor or a screen of tall, flowering plants like hollyhocks and delphiniums. Add to the romance with soft, ambient lighting, such as solar-powered fairy lights twined through the branches or a single vintage-style lantern placed on a nearby stump. This encourages quiet contemplation and makes the garden a destination for peaceful moments. Ultimately, these secret corners are what make the space feel personally yours, a true escape from the busy world outside.